Today I am gonna show you how you can earn passive income by watching videos, browsing on browser, and most importantly, an automated trick-like bot, which will make you money on fully passive. So let's start with our video, but before that make sure to subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning videos. So first of all, head over to this website surf.b. Here click on Start Making Money and create a brand new account and make login to your account. It's better to use this website on Android device because the website provides its application in which more tasks are available. To download application, you can click on Profile button right here and click on Android app, and from here you can download app. After installing and log into your account and app, you can see various tasks like watching YouTube videos and websites. For completing any task, click on Start button and stay here for a given amount of time, and after then you will receive the money that was mentioned on task. Like this you can complete all the tasks in app, and if you complete all the tasks then wait for some time for getting new tasks. Now heading over to most important part of our video. Go back to website surf.b and click on three lines on top left corner. Here click on the extension and then add the extension to Chrome browser. This extension will work on desktop only. If you want to use this extension on Android, you need to download KiWi Browser, and in KiWi Browser you can add extension. Now once extension is added successfully, you will start getting this ads banner on bottom side. You can shift this ads to top or bottom side according to your choice. Now every time you will search anything, you will get ads which will pay you fully on passive. Now to earn more, make the browser as default in which your extension is installed, so that every time your links will open in that browser and you will keep making money. You need to wait for completing this line to get paid for single banner. This single banner pays you from 0.001 to 0.01. Now let's talk about an automated trick-like bot which will make you money on fully passive. For that you need to install another extension called Reload Page Extension. You can get all links from comment box and description box. Now open any website on your browser, wait until the ads banner appear. Once you get ads banner, click on extension button for desktop, and for Android users click on three dots and scroll down and click on Reload Page Extension. Set here timer from 15 to 30 seconds. Suppose I set timer for 20 seconds and back to previous page. Now our page will reload in every 20 seconds and ads will keep playing continuously. You can just simply run this process only once and keep your phone or device aside, and your device will keep making money fully on pausing. You can withdraw the money in Payer Wallet, and minimum withdrawal amount is just $0.03. If you want to get money in PayPal account, go to website name Best Change, and here select from which account you want to give money and in which account you want to receive money. For example, here select Payer and select PayPal in which you want to receive money. And here click on any exchanger which you like, and here you can exchange your money from Payer to PayPal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning videos.